Hello, today you're looking at a JWI Model 50 Carbolux brought to you by Lanco. This unit weighs 780 pounds. It is 65 inches long. It is 26 inches wide and roughly 81 inches tall. If you look back here, we have a 1-horse motor. This is wired in at 220 volts. Up top, we have a 0.5 horsepower mixer here. We look down into the tank, we'll get a run in here for you. So we've switched this unit on. It is now pumping in from your plating tank solution here. We'll pump into the machine and start filling until these ball valves are activated. This JWI continuously takes a small quantity of electrolyte bath and cools it down to a precisely defined temperature. The resulting crystals are then filtered off and the purified liquor is automatically returned to the bath. The collected waste material can then be easily disposed of in solid form. This Carbolux we have using R22 refrigeration, and it has digital controls on the front. Now you can hear the compressor kicking on. That's going to be chilling this. We've just had this unit redone and had new R22 put inside. Now we are going to simulate this coming down to temperature for you guys so we can show this working here. Brought it down below 30 degrees. You can hear the compressor kick off. You see the belt now starts turning. This machine will start pumping the solution onto the belt. Then this belt will feed it out and you can collect all the carbonates right here. You can see it turning on, filtering down into the holding tank here. When this holding tank gets filled, it will automatically pump right back in, as you can see there. Real quiet running unit here. Excellent working condition, completely gone through. If you're interested in this unit, give us a call, 616-887-8300. Or you can visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.